a new study shows, and science is finally catching up with the potential powers of this psychedelic drink. In a new study, researchers found the traditional psychoactive drug ayahuasca stimulates the growth of brain cells in the hippocampi of research mice. The hippocampus is responsible for many memory functions, and the mice dosed with ayahuasca also performed better in a battery of memory tests. You can read more about this fascinating story in the news section up at coasttocoastam.com. If you're interested in the strange and unexplained UFOs, Bigfoot ghosts, or life after death, you just might find your soulmate at Paranormal Date. ParanormalDate.com. ParanormalDate.com. It's free to search and send messages. Thousands of members live in your area. Friendly customer service, and of course, it's optimized for dating on the go. Paranormal Date. Remember, you are not alone. And now, there's Paranormal Date for the 60-plus set. Go to paranormaldate.com/seniors. Paranormaldate.com/seniors. Back to more of my conversation with Tony Heller from ClimateScience.com when Coast to Coast AM continues.
Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, I'm going to tell you how you can save more than $400 a year by switching to Pure Talk. Now look at your last cell phone bill. What was your data usage? The average person who switches to Pure Talk is using less than 4 gigs of data a month. But the big carriers are charging you for unlimited data. It's like paying for an entire row on an airplane, but you're only needing 1 seat. How about unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigs of data for just $20 a month? And if you go over on data usage, they don't charge you for it. Switching to Pure Talk is the easiest decision you'll ever make. Go to puretalkusa.com and enter promo code COAST50, that's the number 50, and you'll save 50% off your first month of service. Again, that's puretalkusa.com, puretalkusa.com, promo code COAST50. Pure Talk is simply smarter wireless. The CBD Black Friday Cyber Monday event is on. Starting Tuesday, you'll get 40% off all CBD products at cbdistillery.com. If sleep is a problem, a remarkable 90% of CB Distillery customers said they sleep better with CBD. If nagging discomfort is a problem, a massive 80% of the customers said CBD helps with their discomfort after physical activity. 80%. Or maybe your pharmacist recommended CBD because it may help with calmness. The bottom line is that this is your chance to discover the power of CBD for yourself. And with more than 1 million satisfied customers, CB Distillery is the source I trust. Don't miss out. The Black Friday Cyber Monday event is on at cbdistillery.com. Get 40% off from Tuesday the 24th through Monday the 30th. Go to cbdistillery.com and enter shop for 40% off. Again, enter shop at cbdistillery.com. Not available in Idaho, Iowa, and South Dakota.
Tony, do we even have a handle on whether CO2 drives temperature or whether an increase in temperature drives increased CO2 in the atmosphere? Do we know how it works?
Well, that's a very good question, Richard. Traditionally, if we look back in ice core records, going back, we have very good ice core records from Antarctica going back more than 600,000 years. And if you look at there, you can see there's a very clear relationship that temperature changes and drives the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. During ice ages, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere decreases, and during warm periods, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases. And the chemistry behind this is pretty basic, and it's one of the first things which geologists learn in school is cold seawater can hold more carbon dioxide in it than warm seawater can. And everyone who's ever opened up a warm beer understands this principle. If you open up a warm beer, the carbon dioxide goes fizzing out all over the place. And that's because the solubility of carbon dioxide in warm water is lower than it is in cold water. So when the